Hey everyone, today I am here with a summer drink recipe that is of cold coffee to beat the summer. So come, let's cook. First, in a jar, add about 2.5 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. This is a very easy recipe of cold coffee, so you can easily try it at home without anyone's help. Next, we are going to add sugar. Add about 4 tablespoons of sugar. So you can adjust the quantity of sugar according to the sweetness you prefer for cold coffee. So here I am making about 2 cups of cold coffee. Now add the frozen milk, that is of 2 cups of milk. Now we are going to blend this mixture in the mixer. So this is the last step to make a cold coffee. So after blending it, you will get that creamy, very refreshing, flavorful cold coffee at home. So next time you crave for cold coffee, no need to run to shop. You can easily make it at home, a very refreshing cold coffee. Thank you.